because we are celebrating decannulation, as in the removal of a tracheostomy tube of 4 of our kids who were admitted with us for inability to breathe normally and could not speak. They all went through multiple surgeries and they have come out really well. Now the parents are very happy. It's time for them to go home. Few of them are from international countries, from Sudan and Nigeria. Few of are from local places. And what I want to tell you is the story that as a team we worked very hard on these kids and we were very good in managing the complications which in certain children arise, and we had to take care in the appropriate time frame. And as a whole, these are extremely complicated cases and the results sometimes are not very favorable, but what we have learned over the years in doing hundreds of these cases is to minimize these complications. And the biggest advantage or the biggest blessing which we get is the happiness in their eyes when you see them and when you see them talking for the first time. That's the biggest gift we all get.
My name is Vivian Bala. I'm from Kenya. I brought this Johnson because of laryngeal stenosis. Before, he had been having problem breathing every time. We used to go to hospital each and every week for oxygen so that he can get good air. So we decided to come to India to Dr. Shashidhar, and I've gained good experience with him.
So I've been the part of the airway team under Dr. Shashidhar for the last 5 years, and in the last 5 years we have seen so many cases of airway surgeries. Many have met with successful outcomes, but the journey is very stressful for us. Along with the parents, we feel the sadness as well as the happiness when a child has a problem, but the final outcome when the child is decannulated, when the child is able to speak, is able to smile, that is the ultimate divine blessing that we have. And we are very grateful to God that He has given us the opportunity to make a difference in the life of such kids.
मेरा नाम परवीन है और ये मेरा लड़का समर है। पहले इसको सांस लेने में और बोलने में बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत होती थी। मैं आरटीएस हॉस्पिटल में आया डॉक्टर शशिधर के पास, उन्होंने इसका ऑपरेशन किया। उसके बाद ये पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं, बोलने में, खाने पीने में, चलने बैठने में, एक्टिविटीज़ की पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा ठीक है।
Was actually very challenging to manage these children who had multiple kinds of airway problems, and especially few of them, they actually came in sort of emergency, like where it was actually a dire urgency to take care of their airway. But yes, thanks to the ENT team, Dr. Shashidhar and his team, and even anesthesia team, Dr. Mishra and rest of the people in anesthesia, we all as a team together were able to manage these children very nice. And today it's actually a matter of great pride for me to see these children normal, walking around, breathing normally, talking normally, playing around. And thanks to Dr. Shashidhar and his team and my team. Thank you so much.
As a pediatric intensive care team, our job in these cases was to prepare them for surgeries and to take care for them after surgery. So once the surgery is done, a complicated surgery like this, if it is done very beautifully, then our job is really minimal because we don't expect many of the complications. But nevertheless, these type of children, after these type of surgeries, they can give us a sleepless night for few days, and we have to tide over that period to make sure that the results of surgeries are as expected. So our team led by Dr. Shashidhar, the surgery part, and Dr. Mishra for the anesthetist part, they did a wonderful job. And when they came to us for intensive care management, after a few days, in normal due course, they become really good, started speaking, and everything was really nice. So ultimate result was everyone for to see, and smiling parents, talking children, that made the day for us. And as a team, we are really blessed to have taken care of these kids.
Today I am here and feeling very happy to see these small kids who came here with very, very difficult airway problems. And Dr. Shashidhar from ENT and me and my team from anesthesia we did a very difficult job on these kids to improve their tracheal problem, tracheal stenosis, or whatever tracheal issues they had. And some of these kids, they already had their operations done elsewhere, but they never had the problem resolved. After the surgery here, we have managed to achieve very good results, and these kids, they are able to speak, they are able to, like some of them, they have spoken for the first time in their life after this tracheal surgery.
Surgeries are very challenging surgeries, and we, the ENT team at Artemis, take great pride in saying that we have had a very good success rate till now. The responsibility and the trust that the parents put in us, we take it very seriously, and once the patient comes to us, we really treat him like our own kid. This time it's a moment of great joy for us. We have been able to decannulate 4 kids in one day, and it's a great feeling when we see them talking for the first time, breathing freely, and we will keep working hard and give the best possible result.
He has done a good job. My baby can now breathe well. He can now play and run around. Before that, he used to have tracheostomy. We used to suction. I had difficult time suctioning. I was so stressful, but now at least I've gained some experience, and thank you, Dr. Shatishida and the team.